Okay guys, so we got Saint Bathan's onto the router sled. And Ray's just about to break out the trusty chainsaw and cut this baby down on size a little bit. And then poor man's going to have to plane this for a while. So much work goes into this thing, absolutely ridiculous amount of work goes into getting everything all cut out, shaped out so we can get the sea channel in. I mean, Ray's been on this for all day now, and yeah, it's been a real long day for him. Okay guys, so this is the Saint Bathan project, the mega build, and you can see Ray here is just wandering around while we're sorting out some glue, and we're just about to laminate the middle slab onto the base slab. So this is our base slab. It's been chamfered all the way around the outside edge, so that when we laminate our top three pieces on, you're hardly going to see any type of a joint once it's all crafted. So that's the plan anyway. This would have to be the biggest table we've done, eh Ray? This would have to be the biggest table we've done.
Yeah.
Well, so, huh?
We did some bigger size table. I mean, yeah, big table size, but not as thick as this.
Don't be shy, mate. Got heaps of it. Beautiful, mate. So this is what happens when the wood releases its tension. So our outside piece that we've cut is going to be a bit skinnier than we had planned, but just one of those things, you know. Hey guys, so just finished helping Ray. We've always finished helping us. We've just planed back and laminated the Saint Bathan table. She's just over 120, 125 millimeters thick now. The bottom slab is one humongous piece, 1200 wide, and it's been chamfered from where the lamination occurs. So once this is all done, it's just going to look like one solid piece of wood. Absolutely stunning. We didn't have one of the slabs didn't have a proper live edge, so we've just chainsaw carved it, and then we're going to hand carve it all out most likely on Saturday. Then all of this top will all get sealed. Once it's all sealed, we'll sand it back so the top is looking perfect. Sanded and sealed, then we'll flip it over. It's currently sitting around 300 to 400 kilos, and we have got a huge volume of resin that's going to be going into this darling. The timber is absolutely stunning. We're going to go with a black layer, 20 mils deep on the base, coming up to smoky black, so you see all this beautiful character of the natural timber through the smoky river. This piece will be absolutely stunning. It's going onto some legs that are 180 millimeters thick, 1.2 meters wide, and it'll be accompanied by 4 Swamp Kauri bench seats that will all be 1.4, 1.5 long, and possibly 2 end bench seats. So this one's mostly going to be about a month before we have the top fully completed and the legs completed, and the bench seats won't be too far after that. This is the Saint Bathan table. So Ray, mate, buddy, you're a big strong man. Grab the corner of that table there, sunshine. Come on, you can do it. Can you lift it? He can't lift it. Oh my God, he can't even lift one end of it. I mean, there's no way I can lift it. That's ridiculous. Yeah, too heavy, brother? Okay guys, so this is around 150, 160 thick Swamp Kauri, and I'm just getting it cut down to 1.8, and that's going to give me 2 amazing legs for the Saint Bathan's table. Oh yeah, that's one. Leg number 2, 200 at the top, 400 wide at the bottom. I think we should leave all of this timber in there. Leave it all natural, rustic, beautiful. You won't have too much light going between the legs, just mainly down through that gut there. But I think that's going to look absolutely magic, and at the moment it's set at 1200 wide, and yeah, once again just playing the edges, hand shape the sides. Let's just keep it rustic and make it look like it's got a big live edge. Or the other thing we could do is we could actually shape this so it looks like a live edge, but more rounding off the timber here, so it's not so square faced. The moment of truth.